In this video, we will see the procedure to convert a PDF file to a drawing file. This PDF file of the house plan is exported from a CAD software. Let's start by creating a PDF underlay in which you attach a PDF file into the current drawing. Click on the Insert tab and click on Attach PDF button and select the PDF file and click on Open. Now you will get Attach PDF Underlay dialog box. This is similar to the Insert dialog box of blocks. You can specify the insertion point, scale factor and the rotation angle. Click on OK. Pick a point to specify the insertion point. Now the PDF file is inserted. Double tap the scroll wheel of the mouse to give a zoom extents. Now this PDF file is attached as an underlay into the current drawing. Click on the PDF's flyout and click on PDF Underlays. You can see the PDF Underlays interface in the Drawing Explorer. This interface shows list of PDF underlays in the drawing and the related informations such as file size, date, saved path, etc. And you can also see a preview of the PDF file. Now, let's convert this PDF file to a drawing file. For that, you can use PDF import command. This command can be accessed in different ways. Click on the BricsCAD application button, click on Import and Import PDF. Or else, you can click on Import PDF button in the Insert tab. Or you can give PDF import command using the keyboard. In this command, there are two methods to convert a PDF to CAD entities. The first method is select PDF underlay. The second method is import PDF file. In this drawing, since we already have a PDF underlay, let's try that first. Click on the PDF underlay. You can either convert the entire area in the PDF underlay to CAD entities, or you can define an area in the PDF underlay using a rectangle or by using a polygon. The rectangle can be defined by picking the first corner and the opposite corner. The polygonal option can be used to define the area to be converted using a polygon, or you can use the all option. In this case, all the entities in the PDF underlay will be converted to CAD entities. When you click on the settings option, you will get the settings dialog box and you can choose the type of data to be imported. When you click on the layers option, you can use the PDF layers. All the layers in the PDF file will be recreated here. If you choose layer per entity type, each entity type will be kept in a separate layer. If you select use current layer, only the current layer will be used and new layers will not be created. I'll select use PDF layers. Then you can import the vector geometry, solid fills, true type text, raster images and raster image folders. When you expand this plus sign, you will get a number of additional options. I'll close this dialog. Now I'll choose all because I want the entire PDF underlay to be converted to a CAD drawing. Now we have three options: keep, detach and unload. Keep keeps the PDF underlay in place in addition to converting its vector portions to CAD entities. Detach completely detaches the PDF underlay from the drawing and it will not be shown. Unload unloads the PDF underlay so that it is no longer seen in the drawing but it is still attached to the drawing. I'll click on Keep to keep the PDF underlay as well as the converted drawing. When I move the PDF underlay, you can see that you have both the underlay as well as the converted drawing on the screen. Now let's check the drawing. The straight lines are converted to polylines. True type fonts are converted to multi-line text. Solid fills are converted to hatches. Layers in the PDF files are converted to layers in the CAD drawing. Hence, it's a full-fledged CAD drawing. Next, let's try detach option. click on Import PDF and select the PDF underlay and click on All to select the entire PDF underlay. Click on Detach. Now you can see that the PDF underlay is detached from the drawing and the drawing is created. Click on PDF's flyout. Click on PDF underlays. The PDF underlays is not listed in this interface because it is detached. Next, let's see the unload option. Click on Import PDF and select the PDF underlay. Click on All, then click on Unload. Now you can see that the PDF underlay is unloaded and it is no longer seen in the drawing, but it is still attached to the drawing. Click on PDF's flyout, PDF underlays. You can see the PDF underlay here, but it is not seen in the drawing. You can select this PDF underlay, click on Insert button to insert it at a different location in the drawing on a later stage. In the second method, you can directly import a PDF file into the current drawing using the PDF import command. So click on Import PDF button. We don't have a PDF underlay here, so click on the File option and select the PDF file to be imported. You can specify the page number to import. This is used when you import a PDF with number of pages. Presently we have only a single page, so give an enter. Pick a point to specify the insertion point, and you can specify a scale factor if required as well as a rotation angle. Double tap the scroll wheel of the mouse to give a zoom extents. Now the PDF file is directly converted as a drawing file. This completes the tutorial on converting PDF files to drawing files in BricsCAD. Thanks for your time.